Heat pumps raised a few questions. What is it and what are the benefits?
It doesn't only provide heat to the interior occupants, but it also controls the temperature of your battery system in a way that will maximize the range.
Just in terms of how a heat pump works, is it true to say that it's providing free energy?
I would call it's optimizing energy, right? So it invests some energy into heating the battery system, and it pays back by enabling the battery to unleash even more capacity that way.
Do you get steering wheel heating and seat heating, and also is there seat cooling?
Yes and no. So we do have steering wheel heating, seat heating, all those options are available, but seat cooling we don't have. The seats are also coming with massage capability. I do use them a lot. My son in particular is very keen on them, and he doesn't drive without switching them on.
Can seat heating start remotely?
You actually can use FordPass on a push of a button, which is very comfy. And you can jump in the car, it's pretty nice and warm. It's good to go.
What's included in the driver assistance package?
I just mentioned a couple. We have lane centering that keeps you always in the middle of the lane. We have exit warning. It detects an approaching vehicle like a cyclist, and it provides a warning both to the occupants, but also a visual signal in the mirror to the cyclist or approaching vehicle.
What kind of parking assistance is available?
Cool feature that I really like, you really have like stereo sound. When you're too close to the right side, you hear it on the right hand side that you're basically too close, but if you're on the left hand side, this is the trick. It helps you directly without thinking about it. It helps you drive better and park easy.
Can you get the 360-degree view?
Yeah, it does. So you have like two things in the monitor in the center, so you can see the backward or frontward camera, but you also have the 360-degree view from top of the vehicle.
What is the infotainment system?
Okay, that's a very broad question, right? So it is a very big portrait screen. The operating system that we run on it, we call it Sync Move because of the movable screen that we have. It basically resembles a smartphone. So whether you have an Android phone or an Apple phone, you have like a top bar where it gives you quick access to the things you need, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto if you want to have.
Are there still normal physical controls for things like the climate control, the radio, cruise control, or does it only happen via the central touchscreen?
For example, volume or the hazard lights. That's something that is physical where you have to touch it and there's a haptic feedback to it.
I understand there's puddle lights on the vehicle as well, which are quite unique.
Yes, the puddle lights are really, I'm so impressed. It keeps people's emotions busy and it's nice, you can catch it.